Okay.
Yeah, you are audible to me now. And you know, due to the rain, it is fluctuating. Wi-Fi is fluctuating. Now I have connected with my phone data. Yeah.
It sometime it happens.
Okay. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Shweta. I am speaking from West Bengal. I have completed my graduation, as earlier I said, I completed my graduation
Yeah.
BSc from Lucknow University.
Mhm.
I am a teacher. I provide home tuitions. Along with, I have a YouTube channel where I am sharing English related content. I
Okay.
am an enthusiastic English learner, and I love to connect with people. I love to help others to improve, and I am a positive person. So this is all about myself.
Okay. Great to know about you. So you are giving home tuition right now, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
do you teach English too?
Yes, small kids I teach English as well, but here I am in Bengal, so I got opportunity to teach students Hindi because they are facing problem in Hindi. So yes, I especially teach Hindi, but yes, for small kids I teach English as well.
So you are all rounder, right? English, Hindi, and what about their mother tongue? I think Bengali.
Yes, yes,
Do
you
you
are
know
right.
how to speak Bengali? Little bit. I think you learned.
Yes, আমি জানি আমি বলতে পারি, but when it comes to writing, I face difficulty. Although I teach my daughters up to class 8th standard, they learned Bengali, so I also know basics.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think after getting married, you moved there.
After,
After getting
pardon, please.
married, after getting
Yes,
married,
yes,
you moved there, right?
yes, yes. My husband is working here. That's why
Ah,
it's
that's why.
been 25 years I am in West Bengal.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So tell me about Lucknow. You have been, you had been Lucknow, I think 3 years earlier, right? So what was
Yes.
the best part right now you are missing about Lucknow, and what was your favorite uh, place for roaming back then?
Yes, yes, especially I miss my friends with whom I spent my 3 years. So,
Yeah,
and I always miss my college,
yeah.
school days. As far as Lucknow is concerned, Hazratganj is very famous, and for marketing, Aminabad is
Ah,
very
yeah,
crowded place.
very
Yes,
crowded. It's
Nishad,
still very crowded.
Indranagar. Yes,
Yeah.
Nishadganj, Indranagar. So these are places. Now I guess Lucknow has developed a lot.
Every country is developing, evolving, and Lucknow itself. So I have been living in Lucknow, I think, for 6 years. It's been not more than that. When I got married, so then I moved here because of my husband job. I am living here. So yeah, earlier it was like I was not like I can't say it. I was living in Lucknow, in Delhi. So
Okay.
compare than NCR, I was not so fascinated towards Lucknow, but now it's been 6 years, so I am becoming habitual. I'm getting habitual with Lucknow nowadays. Yeah, and
Mhm.
Lucknow University is very beautiful, and now I think some changes undergoing process because it was old. It is still old in university, so now it changed a lot in terms of infrastructure and all. Yeah. Okay, so when did you start your English journey? Like when did you start your English YouTube channel?
Yes, in 2021, I started my English journey, and simultaneously, I started my YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and in between, due to some family issues, I left my uh, uh, English speaking
Okay.
practice along with posting videos. But English is always there in my heart, so I never ever forget to connect with people either at CV app or another. Not in video form but audio form. I always connect with people and talk with them. So yes,
Mhm.
I love to be talk with others, and I want to become a fluent English speaker.
Okay, great. You are fluent English speaker. You know, there's no any doubt. You are a fluent. Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah,
do you want to?
but always there is a scope of improvement.
Yeah, there is always room for improvement. We can't rest on our laurels. There is no any,
Yeah.
complacement. We have to improve ourselves every day, every day, every minute. Because if you are able to speak, like if you are able to improve ourselves 1% every day, so that is enough, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so do you have any questions? So you can ask me.
And what about you? When did you start your channel, and what is your motive to start behind the channel?
Okay, I have started September 2025, so next month it will complete 1 year. So motive was I have started for the sake of my child, but now motive has changed. I want to. I now this is my I English is kind of food for me now. When I speak English, I feel energetic. I feel rejuvenated. So now
Yes.
I I want to go dig deeper in the English. I want to be in this niche. I don't want to break the chain. Now my perception, my goal has been shifted, has been changed now. So for that, I really want to be in this niche. For that, I started giving online English spoken classes for them who really want to learn English. So in order to that, I can maintain my consistency. I can feel bound with myself. Otherwise, we feel
Mm-hmm.
procrastinate someday, right? So
Yes, yes, it happens.
yeah.
Making consistency is a big thing.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's a crucial. Like consistency is the name of the game, and although it is a language, so we have to maintain our consistency because whenever we, skip 2 to 3 days, we feel lacking behind something. We start
mm-hmm.
fumbling, we start searching words and all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so what about you? How do you maintain your consistency? Don't you feel someday, okay, throw in the towel, okay, I will practice tomorrow. Just procrastinate. Just I can practice tomorrow. So don't you feel like someday? And whenever you feel, so how do you motivate yourself?
I never feel that my practice is enough. So there are four ways through which you can practice: either listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So
Yeah.
four pillars through which you can improve in your English. So if I am busy in some household chores, so I put earphone and I listen English podcast or English videos, motivational videos. So when I get time, I read books. So in this way, whatever the things, I always involve myself, and I'm in a group of a lot of WhatsApp groups where
Hmm.
English learners are there. So obviously, when you surround yourself with the people who are already doing the same thing, so you also easily do the started doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So this is how I'm maintaining my consistency.
Yeah.
Yes, first half of the day I spend in my English, and second half of the day I spend in my tuitions.
Oh, okay, got it. Because the like first of the day, uh, students must be in school. So in that way, you
Yes,
can spend side time with your English, and second half you can give tuition class. Oh yeah, we have
yes,
to
yes,
balance
yes.
our time. We have to prioritize our work. Okay, so
Yes.
according to you, what is more dangerous, ignorance or overconfidence?
For me, overconfidence, because ignorance, you can deal with it. Okay, I'm ignored, so you know very well. So how can you deal with it's in your control. But overconfident, rather than you are not knowing enough, but you are feeling that you are enough. Like in Hindi, there is a saying, "Adjal gagri chalkat jaye."
Yeah.
Means you know half the things, and you feel that you are enough.
Hmm.
So that thing, for a person, I don't think this is the quality. This is not a good quality for a good person.
Right.
Half knowledge is always dangerous,
Hmm.
and there is no limit of knowledge.
Hmm.
So we never think that we are like, oh yes, oh, confidence is good, it enhance your personality, it is necessary for your growth. But
Hmm.
overconfidence, that means you are not that enough, but you are thinking that I am that much good enough. So whatever the person is in this world, everyone needs to improve themselves in their level. So
Yeah.
yes, we must careful, we should not show like overconfident.
Yes. Yeah. And whenever we feel overconfidence, we do not feel to improve ourselves. We feel satisfied with our life, with ourselves, right? And that is very dangerous
Right.
for ourselves, because
Absolutely.
right, we feel like there is no need to improve ourselves. We are already enough. We feel like arrogant, right? It can also feel like we are other person can sense you are arrogant, because and self overconfidence is like mm, you have not knowledge, and you are like pretending like I have all knowledge, so there is always room for improvement, and
Yes,
no
yes.
one is perfect,
Yes, yes, you are
right?
right. And Steve Jobs once said that stay hungry, stay foolish. Means if
Yeah,
you want to be successful, then you need to hunger inside you for learning, for improving yourselves.
yeah.
So how it happens? If you are satisfied, if you are overconfident, then how can be hungry? So
Hmm.
you must be hungry towards your
Yeah,
knowledge, towards
your
your.
goal towards your knowledge, yeah. Yes, and keep your cup empty, right? Always we need to keep our cup empty. Then we
Yes.
feel like we have to feel that cup. We have to put more hard work. We have to give hard work. We have to do more. So in that way. Okay, so if you would get your dream job today, so how would you celebrate that?
Yeah, I would be very, even I am leading my dream things. And I never thought that I will create YouTube videos and I will come in front of camera. So once it was my dream to face camera and speak in front of it and interact with lot of people. So actually I am leading my dream things.
You are
Now in internet era, I am privileged to be in this era that I am availing this facility to connect with people on in this internet era. So yes, I'm happy with
yeah.
it, and I want to improve more and more. So yes, everyone happy if they reach their goal, and obviously they feel satisfied, they feel happy, and they want more.
Yeah. And this is all like we are enough fortune if we are able to connect people. If I am able to talk to you, you know, you are living in West Bengal, you are connecting to me from West Bengal. I am living in Lucknow, UP. So if I'm able to talk to you, so we are enough fortune. Just imagine how much lucky we are, right? And
Yes,
we are entertaining ourselves. We are improving our communication skill. There are a lot of things we are doing simultaneously, right?
yes, yes.
We are
So I
enough.
want to know from you how you are running your WhatsApp like one-on-one session, or how you are doing all these things.
So you are asking about my classes, online classes?
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, I take through Zoom.
Okay, through
Yeah.
Zoom. So it is a one-on-one session or it's a group session?
No, I take only one-on-one, not group.
Okay,
Yeah, like I'm talking to you, so like that.
okay.
Yeah.
So you take in the evening or whatever time suitable for the student.
No, there is some fixed time.
Okay,
Fixed time, yeah. I have morning and 1:30, then evening. Mostly, mostly evening, 6 to 11, because they are working professionals, so they have time in the evening time.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So because they are comfortable in the evening, because if someone is working professional, so that is suitable for them.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
obviously.
So in that way. Hmm. Okay, so if I would ask you, what was the challenges did you face when you started your journey from the scratch? I think you have also started your journey from the scratch, right? So I have one learner, and I would like to ask from his perspective, and he knows grammar, but when you give him, you know, Hindi to English translation, so he can write, but when you ask, so he's stucking, he's feeling like blank. So what, according to you, what is the best way to speak he speak him aloud, speak him a lot, because he is reluctant to speak. He is feeling like blank whenever he starts speaking. He is feeling like blank. So there are, there are many learner like him. So what is your point of view for them, how they can start speaking?
For learning English, first thing is your mindset.
Yeah.
Never give up mindset.
Yeah.
So, because English learning takes time. If your level is zeros, then it takes time to improve yourself. So, first, your mindset matters a lot. Then, practice is in your hand, and everything will come in place when you start practicing. So, in the same way, yes, a person knows grammar, then it would be easier for them to construct simple sentences. So, for that person, he should start with simple sentences to speak, try to speak in English, start introducing himself
Hmm.
in English,
Hmm.
and try to use different type of apps,
Hmm.
and connect yourself in English learning environment.
Yeah.
There are lots of app like CV app,
Hmm.
Ace
Correct.
Fluency, Open Talk. So where you get co-learners with whom you can talk, and there is no one to judge you, because when you start English speaking, because you know that you are not fluent, you are not good enough, so always people think that what other will think about me if I
Hmm.
make mistake.
Yeah,
But
that
we
is
have
the main problem.
clear in our mind that whatever people will think, whatever they laugh, and anyhow I have to continue my journey.
Hmm.
Rather than people rather than practicing, their focus goes on what people will think if I make mistake. So
Yeah.
this is a big problem, hesitation or whatever you could say it, but things is that people feel shy to
Hmm.
start speaking English, so they have to overcome. So for this, mindset matters a lot, and then once they start practicing, so no one can stop you, and consistency is the key. So every day, even though you feel that you are not improving, still if you do practice, then in within 6 months or 2 months, 3 months, you will definitely grow. Your
Yeah.
level will definitely increase.
Yes, yes.
You have
And
to put yourself in English environment.
hmm, and we are improving. We are improving if we practice every day with consistency. So we are improving, and we are not able to, know that we are improving. Although we are improving somehow, right?
Yes,
Other person
unknowingly
will
we
just,
improve.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Other person will get to know, okay, you are improving, but we do every day, so that's why we are not able to see that changes inwardly.
yes, yes.
Okay.
True, true.
Okay, so what you love to do, like when you have free time, so what you love to do in that free time?
Obviously, I create reels with my students. I
Mhm.
love to create reels with different songs. So yes, in free time I do this.
Okay,
I spend time with kids, so I enjoyed that time. Hmm.
and you upload that reel on Instagram or YouTube, some.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. I uploaded some videos with my students, with my daughter. So yes, and myself also. While doing morning walk, I generally create some reels. So I love that reels. So
Mhm.
yes,
You
I
are
love
like
to
good
do.
person.
Yes, apart from it, I play badminton with my students. So yes, this is also I feel good to do. So I sing songs. There is a app Star Maker where you get chance to sing song. So
Okay.
sometime I sing song also. Yes.
Mhm. Great, great to know about it. Yeah.
Yes, I love to drive scooty. So there are so many things I do for
Okay.
my happiness.
Okay. And what
Mhm.
about books? Do you love to read book?
Yes, yes, obviously. Because once I know that if you become a leader, you have to be a reader.
Very
So yes,
seriously.
I love to read.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that motivate you, right? If you want to become leader, so you have to read book.
Yes, you have to become a reader. Yes.
Reader, yeah. Okay, great. So, do you have any question you can ask me now? I have asked you a lot of question. Otherwise, I can ask you another question. If you have, then you can ask me.
You can ask, and I'm thinking that we should wrap up this session because already it's 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. So,
Yeah.
do you think we should wrap up this session, or if you want, then you ask me
Okay,
anything?
one question I would love to ask you.
Mhm.
Okay, so what does success mean to you? If you would get chance to choose money and success, so what would you choose?
See, different people have different opinion about success.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, According to me, success is yes. Obviously, people generally connect success by money. So yes, obviously, money matters a lot. If you get money, then 99% of your life problems you can solve. So yes, I'm not saying that money is everything, but yes, money is definitely change your life, has power to change your life, and success is correlated with it. So
Hmm.
if you are successful, then obviously you don't have to worry about money. So once your basic needs fulfilled, then yes, you feel good. You don't have worry about your food, shelter, and clothes. So these are the basic things you don't have to worry. And after that, there is no limit of getting money, but we should not always go behind money. We must why I'm earning money. So your purpose should be definite, because
Hmm.
why God has given this beautiful life to you. So
Yeah.
if you are not doing something good towards society, towards family, towards yourself, so what is the mean of your life in this
Life.
world?
Yeah.
So we must think about it. We should live our life in such a way that it would be helpful for others,
Hmm.
definitely.
Yeah.
So that when you die, people will remember you for your good deeds.
Yes. Yeah. And I read somewhere, just just analyze what you love to, what you love to uh, do, what that thing people will remember after you die. Do that thing, just
Yes,
analyze
yes.
yourself. What you want to, people will remember after you die. Just do that. Because, yeah, right? So,
Mhm.
if we analyze that thing, if we
There
introspect,
is a song. There is a song, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, तू जी ए दिल जमाने के लिए.
yeah,
So yes, we must think about others also.
right, right. Okay, that is there is also quote: "Soft's most, rips most."
Oh,
Right?
what is the mean? What is that mean?
Soft's most, rips most means कि सेवा ज्यादा करो और ज्यादा जितना जो ज्यादा सेवा करेगा उतना ही ज्यादा वो रिप्स करेगा मतलब काटेगा मतलब
Okay.
लाइक
Okay.
ए क्रॉप या
As you sow, so you reap.
या एज यू सो यू जो बोओगे वही काटोगे.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Yeah, so we can wind up this answer now.
Yes, yes, yes. It's a
Okay.
lovely talking with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
likewise. And I can say you are a livelihood person. Keep spreading
Mhm.
your smile in the world because world needs your smile.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for
Mhm.
connecting with me. It was a really, really wonderful conversation with you. Looking forward for more. Okay.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.
Have a great day. Bye.